You need not study whole through the day. Just a smart plan is enough. This video is for the students who are going to appear for their board exams. I have 5 points that you need to concentrate on. First one is focused study time. You have to study 2 subjects daily for 40 to 50 minutes each. Second thing, you need to give full attention to your studies. 100% attention. Anything that distracts you from giving 100%, you should keep that thing out of the study room. That is your mobile, messages, ringtone, music, anything that distracts you should keep it outside the room. Second point, daily revision. Now, I being a teacher, teaching for 26 years, I know in higher standard the lessons are large. So in that way, the teachers explain the lesson part by part. So the lesson that is been taught in the class, when you come home and revise for 30 minutes, that will help you better. You will increase your confidence. When you are doing the studies, it helps you learn fast. Third point is weekly practice. Now, what is weekly practice? Now, as I told you in my first point, you need to study 2 subjects daily for 40 to 50 minutes. Now, when you finish doing that, once a week, you need to write those answers on a piece of paper or on the rough book. Now, what will happen if you do this? You will improve your writing speed, and also it helps you remember for a longer period of time, and it will reduce your exam stress, build your confidence to face the exam. Fourth point, time for your interest. That is your hobby, whatever you like to do. Now, for example, like you like to play sports, listen to the music, art, drawing, reading books, and anything that you like to do, dancing. Don't give up on these things. A regular practice of your interest helps you reduce your exam stress. The mind becomes fresh again. You can do much better than what you want to do for your exam. Fifth point, proper sleep and rest. Every student should get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. As said, tired brains does not learn. Rested brains can do much better. They remember whatever is being learned, and it helps them improve their concentration. Like proverb says, early to bed, early to rise makes a person healthy, wealthy and wise. Then taking breaks in between the studies, like after 40 to 50 minutes, is advisable. My dear students, so to summarize these points, point 1, focus study time, point 2, daily revision, point 3, weekly practice, point 4, time for your interest, point 5, proper sleep and rest. If you follow these instructions meticulously, I am sure it is going to help you immensely to face the exam. For such information and guidance, follow my channel Mind Bloom.